Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the experimental expression detection in VSeeFace. Let's go! Under General Settings, here, scroll down, make sure this is checked, the face tracking, and then scroll down, check the experimental expression detection. And here you go. Now, let's record our neutral expression. Make sure your face is on neutral expression while recording. Move around, click calibrate while maintaining your expression, and stop recording. Now, let's record a fun expression. We can also make this as smile expression. Again, move around while keeping your smiley face and calibrate. Next is a joy expression. Let's make it as a laughing expression. Like if we laugh, it detects as joy. So record a face like a laughing face. And there you go. After recording all the expressions you want, like if you add angry, sorrow, surprise, it's up to you. Now it's time to calibrate. Click here to activate all your new expressions. You can also save your calibrations so you don't have to do this again. And if you want to load your expression, just click Load Calibration and open that calibration. Make sure you have a working webcam for face tracking. Ensure your face is well lit so the camera can accurately detect your expressions. VSeeFace version. While the feature has been available for some time, it is best to use an up-to-date version of VSeeFace for any improvements and fixes. And that's it. Customizing your expressions in the VSeeFace can add a ton of personality to your avatar. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more VTuber content. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.